Hello ladies and gentlemen, Armour Kang here, Finer Country Estate Agents, East Cheshire and South Manchester. Hope you're well. Today we are in the beautiful village of Crawley in Northwich in Cheshire, looking at this fantastic barn conversion behind me here called Parkwood Barn. Over the last 5 years, the owners have fantastically converted what was a derelict cattle shed into a luxurious 4-bedroom home, and today it's got underfloor heating, it's got a ground source air pump. We're set in a beautiful acreage of 15 acres here, separating little paddocks for the horses, an agricultural barn, ample parking, and a really beautiful part of the world. And today we're going to take a look around. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, a beautiful home, a real credit to the current owners. Again, we've got this gorgeous paddock and land behind me here, ideal for equestrian use or further development subject to planning. You've got a great massive barn here, which could be converted into garaging or whatever you want to do. Location-wise, we're about 10 minutes from Knutsford, about 10 minutes from Warrington, and about 15 minutes from the M56. So a great location for commuting into Manchester or further down towards Birmingham. So if you'd like to learn more about the property or arrange a viewing, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll see you soon.